Hammertime.
What's up everyone and welcome back to another Hammertime video. Today I'm going to show you to apply simple coat of aerosol lacquer. Stay tuned and let's jump right in. So first step is you want to make sure your can is fully shaken. You want to make sure that little metal ball in there, you can hear that going back and forth. Once this is fully shaken, we can start applying the lacquer. And then also you want to make sure your piece of wood that you're going to be applying the lacquer to is properly sanded. Preferably up to about 220, but what you could get away with about 150, 180 if you had to. But make sure it's properly sanded and there's no scratches, because once you apply the lacquer, the scratches will be highlighted. So once you got the can of lacquer all shaken up and then the piece sanded, we can start finishing. Now what you want to do is you want to do your first sprays about 10 to 12 inches away from the piece of wood. And you want to start on the end grain because they're going to soak up more finish, so you're going to go over them a second time in the first coat. And then once you've got the end grain coated, you can start going over the face grain, and it's best to go with the grain. Just keeps it looking pretty even. You can start across the grain and then work with the grain. It isn't a really big concern. And once you've got your piece coated, you can recoat every couple minutes or so, just let it get tacky. And then once you're done coating it, then your piece will be all done and you'll have a finished piece of wood. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a comment down below. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright guys, until next time, happy building.